Hi, welcome to another video from English Mind. Don't forget to turn on the subtitles by clicking the settings gear up here. In this video, we are going to learn the English alphabet, jobs vocabulary, and how to learn English through daily conversations. We will also learn names and titles vocabulary, and there will be a fun quiz at the end. So make sure you stay until the end of the video.
In this session, you will learn about names and titles. Good morning, Mr. Smith.
Good morning, Miss Brown. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. By the way, what is your full name?
My first name is John, my middle name is Michael, and my last name is Smith.
Nice to meet you, John Michael Smith.
Nice to meet you too. What about you?
My first name is Emma, my middle name is Louise, and my last name is Brown.
Should I call you Miss, Mrs., or Ms. Brown?
You can call me Miss Brown, please. I'm not married.
Okay, Ms. Brown, thank you.
Thank you. Grammar. The verb be. Possessive adjectives. What's your name? My name is Daniel. What's his name? His name is Jake. What's her name? Her name is Anna. What are your names? Our names are Daniel and Emily. What are their names? Their names are Sarah and Raj.
Vocabulary. Names and titles. Anna Jones Smith. First name, middle name, last, family name. Miss Smith, a single woman. Mrs. Johnson, a married woman. Ms. Brown, a single or married woman. Mr. Williams, a single or married man.
In this session, you will learn about the alphabet.
Today, we are going to learn the English alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z.
Dialogue.
Good morning. May I help you?
Good morning. Yes, please. I need help with my credit card.
What's your name?
My name is Emma Louise.
How do you spell your first name?
E-M-M-A.
Thank you. How do you spell your middle name?
L-O-U-I-S-E.
Great. And how do you spell your last name?
B-R-O-W-N.
What is your mother's full name?
Her full name is Mary Elizabeth Brown.
How do you spell her first name?
M-A-R-Y.
Thank you. How do you spell your middle name?
E-L-I-Z-A-B-E-T-H.
And how do you spell her last name?
B-R-O-W-N.
Perfect. Thank you for the information.
Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
D O N A L D J O H N B R Y A N.
In this session, you will learn about vocabulary, interesting jobs, grammar, subject pronouns, yes, no questions with be.
Rihanna is a singer. She's from Barbados. Karen is a model. She is from the United States. Alex Stone is a musician. He's from England. Daniel is an actor. He's from Canada.
Dialogue.
Hi, girls. Hi.
Hey,
Girls, do you know Alex? He is a singer.
yes, I know him. He sings very well, and I listen to his songs all the time.
That's true. His music is really nice. He's from the United Kingdom. And do you know Leo? He is a musician and plays the guitar. Yes. Leo is very talented. He practices music every day.
I like musicians. Music is very important to me. What about Emma? She is a model.
Yes. Emma is a model. She takes beautiful photos and travels a lot. That sounds interesting. And Ryan is an actor. He acts in movies and TV shows.
I like actors. Acting is a very creative job.
That's true. And Tom is a soccer player. He plays soccer every day. Soccer player is a very exciting job.
Grammar. Subject pronouns. Yes, no questions with be. I'm a musician. You're my friend. Daniel is an engineer. He's an engineer. Maria is from Brazil. She's from Brazil. The school is very old. It's very old. Am I late? Yes, you are. No, you aren't. Are you a student? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Is he your brother? Yes, he is. No, he's not. No, he isn't. Is she from Brazil? Yes, she is. No, she's not. No, she isn't. Is your house near her? Yes, it is. No, it's not. No, it isn't.